Welcome today, everyone. Yes, today, the day after. Yes, the day after. Um, Today, in the daily newspaper of Thursday, November the 25th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 0-star Sudoku, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Yes, total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, these two regular puzzles. News of today? Well, it's the day after the Dutch a national election. And who has won? This Geert Wilders guy. The Dutch, Donald Trump, has won the election. I cannot believe this. Yes, cannot believe this. Because he's, well, uh, well, I cannot tell you about him because you need to know what he is. Yes, I cannot say he's a racist, but no, you just need to know more of them. Otherwise, I will say wrong things on YouTube. Yeah, but it's a Dutch Donald Trump. Yeah, the Dutch guy. Yeah, also white hair. Look alike, maybe. Alright. Binary puzzle number 7495. 7495. And it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. Well, with 40 printed digits. 12 by 12, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 6 O's and 6 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And double O, here one, there one. Alright, now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Alright. Between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O, between two O's comes in 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in no, between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O. Let me see. Between the ones comes an O. Whoever has no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Now we need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between the ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Of course, we have a double 1 here. Okay. Alright, now let me think. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you place number 6 there, 6 there. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. If I place number 6 there in this column, then we still have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Yeah. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there. Oh, no. One conclusion. Let me blow my nose first. Hay fever. Yeah. Hay fever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. This can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest, no, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish. 10 minutes. Wow. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.